So we're at the air conditioner meet, and I got my 58 Westinghouse Mobilaire open.
That's not a passive device.
I was originally thinking that switch on the side was a vent control.
That's what I thought
It
at first.
attaches to a chain and goes to a drain hole. We're gonna turn it, right?
Need the water to spray up the condenser.
It's not really working properly, but that's supposed to pull that little lever to let the water drain out. Westinghouse compressor, and we're trying to figure out what happened here.
They've raised the cap tube to the suction line.
I've seen that before, yeah. Exposed fan motor. It's wild.
But you said this was in a basement for 30 years.